preview. Let's start. Select 2, rectangle.
I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Your steps keep me awake. Don't
Choose video.
leave me here to waste. I once was a man with
Click on rectangle 1. Add copy, background, Gaussian blur, and exposure gamma.
Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you leave,
Click on rectangle 2. Click on color and fill. Click on white color. Go back and click on blending and opacity.
if you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you leave,
Click on rectangle 1. Click on add effects. Click on Gaussian, blur and duplicate 3 times. Click on exposure gamma and duplicate 1 time.
cold skin, drag my feet on the tile as I'm walking down the corridor.